Chris, isa rin sa mga objective namin dito sa program is not only to inspire people, kung hindi, kumbaga, may mga lesson in life din. Kasi hindi rin biro, growing up yung mga na-experience.
Totoo.
Mommy is here at siya nga yung makakapagsabi. So, importante din talaga na, sabi nga, nandun yung family, yung support ng family, at yung, sabi nga, yung paniniwala mo doon sa kakayahan mo.
Ang sa amin naman, sir, growing up na coming from a dysfunctional family, it was my mom who was there for us all the time. Ako, I don't want to say bad words to my father because kahit pa paano tatay ko pa din.
Yeah.
Kaya lang, it was my mom who was supporting us every day.
You're 8 years old daw during
that time. So nakikita ko sila ganun. So, ngayon, ang sa akin lang is, kung ano mang meron ako, gusto ko rin ibalik sa kanang nanay ko.
And that's what you're doing now.
Opo, totoo yan. So, ako, ang gusto ko lang kanang sabihin na there are so, okay, na marami nakapanood sa atin ngayon na, product ng kanang broken family. I understand how you feel, how you felt right now. But, it doesn't stop you there para maniwala ka kung anong kakayahan mo. You have your full potential. Magdasal ka lang, you work hard. Just wait for the right time and God will give you that.
So, hindi hadlang na product ka ng
Hindi. Poverty, broken family, hindi yan hadlang, ma'am. Kasi, it should gives you the fuel to drive more.
Yeah.
Totoo.